This is the TGCC300 pure fermentation belt lifting production equipment produced by our factory for customers. After the equipment arrived at the site, after the equipment is placed, we also need to connect the power supply to the device. The power supply is connected here as shown in the figure, and we need to provide clean water for the equipment. Must be clean tap water. Connect the water pipe to this pipe. And we also need to connect a pipe to the outdoor exhaust system of the equipment. This is the exhaust system of the equipment. We need to run a pipe to the outside. Let the exhaust gas of the equipment be discharged successfully. At the end, we also saw the hydraulic station here. We need to add hydraulic oil to this hydraulic station and add lubricant to the chain of our mixing system. After doing this, we can then carry out normal debugging and operation of the equipment. First, we need to deliver all the power to the equipment. Then we need to check the incoming power supply of the equipment. The power supply must be correct, otherwise, turning on the device rashly may cause damage to the device. After all the preparations are done, after we turn on the device, the interface is as follows. We first feed the equipment. We click the open button. The cover of the device will slowly open. When opened to the highest point, the open button indicator light on the screen will light up. When the open cover button indicator lights up yellow, the equipment's lifting system will work properly. When we add materials, we can click the promotion button, dump the garbage into our fermentation tank. After the lifting system reaches the highest point, wait a few seconds, will automatically fall. No additional operation required. No one is allowed to stand below during lifting. Prevent injuries. When the lift reaches the bottom, if we still need to feed, you can continue to perform the lifting operation. If no feeding is required, we can click the open button again. When the hatch is closed, during the closing process, we must first know that the rising-descending line must be lit. After the descending line lights up, press the cover closing button to close the window cover. After feeding is completed, we can click the automatic fermentation button of the equipment. The automatic fermentation of the equipment enters the running state.